Alright, this video is of my 2006 Grand Cherokee SRT8 and the DMH low profile exhaust cutouts we just installed. The factory exhaust really had nowhere to put these, so we installed a Magnaflow 3-inch in, 3-inch out, dual in, dual out muffler. Just extend the pipes a little bit to give us room right there. I'm going to go open them and close them so you can see, and I'm going to start it up so you can hear it. See what the difference is. See what the difference is when you start it. The first one was closed, the second one was open. We got a GSM CAI. Got the Zex kit installed. Put the first solenoid right there. So the first tube's coming out the middle of the grill and a V going up right in front of the hood. All the wiring's coming through right there. I mounted all my buttons inside there, even though it's really hard to see. Straight back there is the engage for the nitrous purge switch, and that's where I put the exhaust cutout button. The muffler and the cutouts are the only two exhaust mods I've made. Sorry, it's going to be kind of long because I don't know how to edit video. But this is the inside. Probably can't tell much of a difference because this camera audio sucks. And now just open them. And then maybe you can tell the difference, maybe not. But if anybody was wondering if they're worth it or if it can be done, absolutely easily it can be done. The muffler was another $125. Got everything installed for $100, and the sound is amazing. It's much better than it's going to be on this video. So I recommend it all day long.